Welcome to VAL'S Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी आनी एक व्हिडिओ बटर चिकनाचेर जो जावन आसा आमचो बटर चिकन आमी पावडर मसाला केला पळय तेजेर ओके तर ते कशे उपयोग करूंक जाय पळय ते दाखयता. सो आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू if you are making this powder and storing it and you want to make anytime butter chicken masala, then how you can utilize this homemade butter chicken mix powder into a curry. So we have this. Please check the recipe in the description box of this aromatic and flavored butter chicken mix masala powder. Okay, so if you have this, then it's very easy to make your curry on your occasion or a Sunday or whenever. For that we need boneless or with bones chicken. So I have taken both and माझ्या गोंयकारा बाब भयणांक म्हणटा की जेंका पळय बटर चिकन मसाला पावडर करून दवरतात ओ तुमी रेडीमेड पूण घेता तो कसो उपयोग करूंक जाय पळय तेजी रेसिपी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आनी कशी तुमच्यान बरी आमची स्वादीक कोडी करूं येता. तर ह्यो मसाल्याची रेसिपी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान आसा ह्या व्हिडिओचेर प्लीज चॅक करात. सो फॉर दॅट वी नीड नाव अगेन हाफ kg ऑफ चिकन. सो दीस इज वीथ बोन्स, कोणाक जाय ते वीथ बोन्स करात आनी कोणाक विदाउट बोन्स ते विदाउट बोन्स. सो दीस इज लायक क्वॉर्टर kg आनी हें जावन आसा आमचें क्वॉर्टर kg ऑफ आमचें चिकन थाय. तुमच्यान कोणाक चिकन थाय आवडना तांकां चिकन ब्रेस्ट घेयात. So for those who don't want to add any bones, don't add bones. For those who don't want to add chicken thigh piece, don't add chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast instead of this. And for those who don't want boneless, want to use all with bones, use with bones. So choice is yours always. What you relish, you should make and enjoy the food. Now for this, so this is half kg. So we will marinate this with salt and ginger garlic paste. So I am taking 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. We will keep this aside. Same procedure. And we'll keep this aside, okay, for the next procedure. Now see my cooking lessons, you will have to watch the video first, then you know what I am going to use, how I am going to use ingredients, and then it will be easy for you if you want easy way. Now what we need is Kashmiri chili powder. First I'll add oil, mustard oil, around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use any type of mustard oil. I'm using this fortune, you can use any type. And we'll add 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and salt, and we'll whisk it or you can say beat it, okay, or mix it. बरे भाशेन हे मातशें मिक्स करून घ्या तेल आनी मसालो. Next procedure, 3 tablespoons of our curd, and this is hung curd, thick hung curd. If you don't have time to hang it, then use the thicker version curd and mix this. We'll add a little bit of turmeric powder and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. I'm not adding now chili powder. If you want, you can add another chili powder which is spicy. So this has to be nicely mixed. Next is very simple. Marinate this and keep this for overnight or 2 hours or 4 hours. And mix this. Okay, I will keep this. Now we need 1 coconut juice or coconut milk. You can get it ready-made also. You can extract it from fresh coconut. So you need 1 coconut juice, thick version. Now those who don't want to use coconut juice or coconut milk, for them they can use fresh cream, or you can use milk. To mix this powder we need something. So how much I'm going to add to this? So let's start. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon, 2, 3 and 4, 5 tablespoon I am adding, and remaining you can keep this for your next use. And now we'll mix this also nicely. So there is no lumps. If you want to add water and then mix it, whichever way, however you want to add this and keep. So this is our ready. This is our paste which will go in our butter chicken. See that you mix this nicely. Now for this recipe I am using 2 tomatoes, big tomatoes and 1 onion. Okay, to saute this. So this is ready. So we'll add our normal oil, 1 teaspoon, just to saute this both together. And then we will fry the chicken. Onion, and tomato. Now this is another way how you can make butter chicken. I have covered this, so let the tomatoes get nicely soft. Now we'll add our chicken to this. Let this get cooked. We'll cover this and cook this. Add little water to this. Add like 1 cup of water in this, and we'll cook this till the chicken is nicely tender. Then I will show you the next procedure. So now here it is. We'll add this to our chicken. So now we'll add, okay. Mix this. Check the salt. And let this now on low flame cover and cook for 5 minutes. So all the masala flavors will go in this. So आता आम्ही हे घातल्या उपरांत लो फ्लेमीचेर, कित्याक आमचे चिकन आमी पयले कांदे टमाटा बरोबर शिजोवन काडले. तर आता मातशें एका 5 मिनिट बंद करून लो फ्लेमीचेर शिजोया. पूण तेजे पयले लेट्स ॲड बटर. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू ॲड, प्लीज डोंट ॲड. Totally up to you. Butter is your choice. And our fenugreek leaves. We'll cover this and we'll cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. Hope you all will all enjoy this yummy butter chicken curry or butter chicken from our homemade mix masala powder. And see this. Just enjoy this and do let me know. Thank you so much and hope you all will all enjoy this. मानता की तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटलें आमचें बटर चिकन, जी आमी सगळीं भुरगीं आनी सगल्यांक हें एक्चुली आवडटें आनी इतलें बरें क्रिमी आसा आनी इतलो धमधमीत वास पूण बरो येता. तर मानता की तुमी सगळीं एन्जॉय करतलीं. आनी पयलो तो पिठो करून दवरात. आनी सपोज तुमकां पिठो करपाक तयार ना जाल्यार रेडीमेडाचो पिठो विचेवर, पूण पिठो करून दवरी जाल्यार तुमच्यान खूब फाटी करूं येता हे घराक ओकेजनाक ऑर विदावट ओकेजन. एंड सेलिब्रेट And so hope you all will have a blast with this, and hope you all will enjoy this butter chicken, homemade butter chicken with homemade mix powder, how I showed you. Thank you so much. Dev bore karo.